Hello there, hope you're doing just fine. This is a quick review of the MacBook Air 11 inches. Amazing computer, just a stunning design, light as feather, powerful enough to run all the applications you might need, unless you're a very extreme user, let's say audiophile, or you are editing video at a very high level. This will be all you need, believe me. The configuration is quite interesting. It's a Spanish keyboard. They call it Western Spanish, but it's got the Euro key there, the Euro symbol right there on the lower right corner of the E key. So it's probably the same you can get in Spain. This is what you can get here in America, or all through the American continent actually. But it's quite unfortunate you cannot get it at the stores. You only can get it online if you configure it. And actually, guys, the Spanish keyboard is all we need. It's the keyboard all computers should come with here in America, because it allows you to write, to type in English, in Spanish, in French, in German, and some other languages without using any layout through software. You see, quite complete. There you go. Okay, I hope I've helped slightly deciding whether you're going to buy one of these or not. This is a masterpiece, amazing design. You won't be disappointed. Happy holidays to all of you. Bye-bye.